Si Louie magluluto ng pancake.
Don't eat, okay? It's hot.
Okay.
Can I have Coke?
Can I have Coke?
No.
Oh.
Guys, nandito pala kami ngayon sa J-Cook. Kasi bibili ulit kami ng sasakyan.
This certificate of participation is proudly presented to Olivia Feliz C. Austria for successfully completing Cycle 1 of Music and Homeschool Activities. Congratulations!
Yay!
Good evening, guys and girls. Good evening talaga. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kanina eh. Kasi si Bia nagluto. 3 potahe ata o 4 na potahe ang niluto niya ngayon. Mostly pala pambaon talaga ni Ayi. Napablog lang ako kasi gusto ko lang ito ipakita. Kasi si Louie magluluto ng pancake. Yes, si Louie marunong na magluto yan ng pancake. Napapakita ko lang. Ito kasi first time namin gagamitin. Pero si Louie last time nagluluto na ng pancake. Ito pa yung iba.
Oh yeah, I forgot one egg.
Yeah. Ito yung niluto kanina ni Bia. Tuloy ko na lang kasi nag-e-edit pa si Bia ngayon. Kasi sa TikTok niya in-upload yung mga video niya kanina. Tapos si Oli, ayan, nakatulog. Ano ko lang si Louie. Alalayan ko lang.
Oh,
Okay.
it's not yet done. And I have to keep it.
Patayin mo na yung ano.
What?
Patayin mo na.
Yep. Okay. Okay, maybe this one is not the best. I broke it.
I-flip mo na lang ulit. You want, ano? Pancake? Waffle? Okay.
This is not waffle.
Yan mo na. Bigyan mo si Oli. ng
But it's
waffle.
hot.
Kuha mo ng plate. Good job. Patayin nga. Nang gawa mo.
Here. How many pancakes did I make?
Wow.
I made one that's broken.
Nice.
Do you want cocomelon fork?
Yeah.
Can't you use this fork? Wow, cocomelon fork. Daddy, why is that recording?
This one.
Okay, don't eat, okay? It's hot.
It's hot. Okay.
It's very, very hot.
Silly Ade.
Silly Ollie.
Silly Ade.
Silly Ollie.
Silly.
No, silly Ollie.
Silly Ade.
Silly Ollie.
Silly Ade.
Do you want this?
Yeah.
Okay. Ow, hot, hot, hot.
So hot.
So hot.
So hot.
So hot.
So hot.
So hot.
Wow. Good job.
Don't eat, okay? It's hot. Very, very, very hot.
Ate made that.
Silly Ade.
What?
Look.
Big pancake.
Big pancake.
No, don't eat. It's hot.
It's
Let's
hot.
wait.
Blow mo, blow.
Can you blow it?
Okay.
Blow hard. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We need to put ice around it. Can I have Coke?
No.
Aw.
Can I have Coke?
No.
Oh.
How about Chucky or Dutch milk?
Okay,
Chucky.
Okay, Chucky.
that's milk.
Oh, so hot.
Is it so hot?
Yeah,
So hot? Ah!
Oh, so hot.
Don't touch it. I said don't touch it.
Uy, ba't ang dami niyan?
Oh, only one?
Oo,
Oh,
siyempre.
I thought three.
Hindi kami yung iba dito.
Oh, you want big pancake?
Yeah, big pancake.
Oh, she wants the big one. Oh, you want this pancake?
Yeah.
Let's blow it. Your turn. Again? You want a silly blow?
Yeah.
Your turn. Again?
Yeah.
You want a silly blow? So funny.
Yeah.
Go more.
Check mo, Louie, kung
Yes. Again? Again?
Yeah. Wait, wait. Hot. Hot.
Hot.
Hot.
Again? Hot. No, it's like this. Hot.
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 Hot. Okay.
Is it nice?
Look at this.
You wanna watch Bluey?
Yeah. Pokemon.
Go, go, Marion!
Kapitan? No, I don't want. I want to Kapitan.
Oh my god.
Sinopera mo pa ng cellphone eh. Okay na nga siya nang walang cellphone eh.
Okay. Ollie, can you do this? Hot!
Hot.
Hot!
Hot. Please.
Freeze! Unfreeze. It's just good.
Kinakonect ko.
Oh,
Sherry, ate.
good.
Dad.
You want Pocoyo?
Kapuku.
You want Poco? You want Poco?
Yeah, Poco. Poco.
Poco?
Ah, hold it.
Really?
Hold it.
No.
Nakapag-recharge ka na naman.
Poco?
Guys, nandito pala kami ngayon sa Jayco. Kasi bibili ulit kami ng sasakyan. Dahil na lang may papaayos lang kami sa dashing para sa settings. Kaya nandito kami. Sister company ng Jayco ang Jetour. Under din siya ng Cherry. Nakita lang kasi namin to. Ang ganda. Full electric siya. Diba? Full electric. Tapos pang off-road. Saktong-sakto. Parang mukha siyang tito ng Jetour. Ang ganda. Paras din sila ng handle ng Jetour. Di ganun din. Ha?
Pinaghanap ko yung gano'n.
Ay, yung pang ganon.
Pindot na
Oh,
pala.
dipindot electronic ano din.
Paano pag nasira to, di ka makakalabas?
Oo. Yun ang hindi natin alam pag nalobat, no?
Oo, paano yun?
Baka merong manual. Ay, ito, tingnan.
Running agad. Hindi naman kukunin.
Oo.
Ayaw, gusto ko.
Hmm.
Ganda nito.
Ayan, no?
Buti po to all black.
Ay, may ilaw, oh. All road.
Ito, ang ginano ko. Ano to? Ito siya.
Ano?
Diamante.
Oo, ano?
Ito yung ano eh.
Yung pag sa cambio, ito.
Sa'yo ba to?
Hindi. Hindi, ito sa akin.
Wala, yan na.
Baka pang
Andar
for
na.
releasing to, ha? Ang ganito nga lang talaga. Wala rin tong spare tire, no? Normal na talaga yung sa ano, sa mga EV.
Boing, 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 boing.
Ollie, let's go, Ollie!
Teacher is gonna give you something.
What's this? Come here. Hello. Today is an important day for it is Ollie's receiving of certificate. It is a celebration for her wonderful milestones. Every session with Ollie has been filled with laughter, smiles, and excitement. Thank you, parents and ates, for all the support you have given to Ollie. Ollie, you have brought something unique and special during our class. You are growing into a confident and curious learner. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for your continuous support and encouragement. Thank you for letting me teach and get to know Ollie even more. Okay, this certificate of participation is proudly presented to Olivia Feliz C. Austria for successfully completing Cycle 1 of Music and Homeschool Activities. Congratulations,
Yay!
Ollie!
Good job, Ollie!
Ah,
Say
hold
thank you,
your-
Teacher Faye!
You're welcome. Can you hold with two hands?
Wow,
And
picture!
give teacher a big smile. 1, 2, Can you show your big smile to mommy? Show your white balloon. Okay, and this one.
Hard ma.
Hug. Okay, and then one big smile to mommy. Can you show mommy one big smile first?
Okay, game 1, 2, 3. Oli! Sama na lang.
Sampo, sama kayo. Ate, sama ka ate. Ay, wow. Ay, turnaround. Peekaboo.
Ano may pangon?
Oh, your balloon.
Si Louie mo na.
Can you show your certificate?
Hold mo. 1, 2, 3. Oli! Oli!
Oli. Sit only, sit only.
Sit down.
Ow. Sit only, Pickle. Oh no, look at the balloon, Pickle.
Tatakpan siya.
1, 2, 3. Ollie. Oops. Oh no! Sorry,
Okay,
Ollie.
up. Hawakan mo.
Ollie, where's Ollie's teeth? 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! Yay! Good job. Okay, good job, Ollie.
Yay! Sala ni Ali, sala.
Isolo!
Ang cute.
Hold mo,
Hawakan
hold.
mo pa.
Hold.
Ollie's turn.
Ma, ready.
Ready? Ready, Ollie,
Oh,
Pickle.
1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3.
Pickle?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ganun. Show mo. Ganun.
Show.
So,
Yay!
thank you, Ollie. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. And then, Mommy, this is yung assessment po niya.
Okay.
And then yung social-emotional development po niya. Very good naman siya sa lahat, Mommy. Pero yun nga, minsan yung pag, minsan nawawala siya sa mood. Pero after nun, mabilis naman siyang okay.
Makarecover.
Pero pag dancing, ayan, active siya. Dancing, yung sa instruments, drumming, shakers, very good siya, Mommy. Especially, yun nga po, sabi ko nga, yung sa age niya po, hindi po lahat ng bata kaya yung mag-arrange ng alphabet, numbers, in order. Pero siya, talagang, siya po nag-aayos. Kaya nagulat po ako wonder na, you know how to do this already? Sabi niya, yes.
Actually, medyo siya, kahit yung mga kalat, inaayos niya talaga.
Yun, very good po siya doon. Parang, lagi niya akong tutulugan. Can you help teacher? Pag nasa na yung table, after play. Yeah, very good si Ollie. Kaya sabi ko, medyo advanced siya. So, pag medyo advanced din namin.
Oo, sayang kasi din.
Kaya yun po, magsisimula na po kami sa mga sight words na. So, mabilis po siya.
Medyo mas
Medyo
mas serious na yung
school readiness din, Mommy.
Yay, Ollie! Tapos na sa cycle 1, tawag dyan, Teacher Faye, no? Good job, Ollie! Tara yung pa-balloons mo,
Big smile to Mommy, ha?
1, 2, 3, Ollie! Smile! Ayun na! Ngiti na! Ala!
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Good job! Good job. Ay, so pretty naman.
Ano may pangon?
Oh, your balloon. I'm gonna see. Daddy. I will meet again.
Are you crying?
No, nagtampo. Sabi walang session. Sige. Tingnan nyo tong batang to. Ang ganda-ganda ng ipit kanina. Pag alis sa Teacher Faye, tinanggal agad.
Tapos na daw.
Tapos na mag-picture eh. Okay na yan. Ano yung kinakain mo?
Vegan 100% bland.
Saan mo nabili to?
Doon sa bazaar.
Tapos yan, binigay ni Teacher Faye. Meron pa naman siyang second cycle. Ito pa lang yung natapos niya. First cycle. Moonchild. Sarap na, guys. Galing-galing naman ni Ollie. Sobrang advanced pala niyang batang yan. No. Ganyan-ganyan lang yan, pero matalino pala yan. Oh, tingnan nyo.
So daisy.
You're so daisy?
Daisy.
Okay. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? You like it?
Hi guys and girls. Hindi na namin na-vlog kanina pero nag-ayos kami ng mga damit nila Ollie, yung mga natabi namin dati na ibebenta talaga. Kaso lang, na-busy lang kami kanina kaya hindi na namin na video pero ito na siya. Ito na yung mga ibebenta. Ayan, ang dami. Puro kay na Via, kay na Ayi, Louie, at saka kay Ollie. Ito mga to. Nalagay ko na dito kasi hinihintay ko na lang yung pick up yung sa Lalamove para i-pick up to. Follow nyo lang yung Monday Casuals sa Facebook. Ila-live sell naman yun. Check nyo na lang. Ilagay nyo na rin dito sa description box.